to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Mwango, a solo female traveler from Kenya in Africa, traveling the world. And right now we are in Europe this summer, and to be specific, I'm in Netherlands actually, or rather Holland, and I'm really excited to be here. It's such a big privilege that I don't take for granted. And if at all you love travel videos and you are new here, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see from me here in the Netherlands. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the whole world to me, really. So guys, on today's video, I'm really excited because today I'm doing what I love more. You know, there's nothing good like doing what you love with passion, and that's why I always say do what makes you happy and make sure you do it so well. So guys, as you all know, having been born and raised in the countryside back in Kenya, or rather in the village, we love animals. I love farming personally, and from my previous video in Germany, you all loved my farm videos, so I thought why not again take you along farming here in the Netherlands. So right now I'm headed to the farm, and I can't wait to get there and share the experience with you guys. So I hope you're all excited. I can't wait to show you my outfit of the day. I'm dressed like a real farmer. But again, I love it because I love farming, and my dad loves farming as well. At home we keep animals, we do farming, we do, you know, like we really love farming in general because farming is huge. But now we have categories, maybe animal keeping, crops, planting or farming. So let me take you along in this. I hope you're all excited. So yeah, let's hit the road and see you there. So today it's foggy. This is the weather today in Netherlands. And yeah, you know, when it comes to weather, you can't predict or you can't control. So anyways, let's enjoy the road trip to the farm. Okay guys, so finally welcome to the farm here in the Netherlands, and we just got in, and here they do cattle farming. So guys,
they do mix this with the hay.
Oh, they do mix this with the hay. It's part of the nutrients of the
It's not just hay.
Yeah.
This is, I don't know what it is.
Wheat, maize, all mixed together.
Yeah, but maybe mixed maize.
Yeah.
The maize crop.
Yeah. So we have the store, and all that is hay stored in there. Wow. And wow, you guys, my guys. So right here we have the cows feeding. They have tags on their ears, you know. Yeah.
They're the young cows.
They're young cows actually, and they're feeding on hay. Wow. So this is dry hay. They look so good. Yo. Amazing. So this is how they are kept because they are still growing. They are cows, and this is how they feed. Each cow comes from this entrance to feed on this side to avoid the hay getting dirty, you know. So that's how it's done, and it's quite big, you know. More space here. We have the farm machines farm equipment. Amazing. The cows are feeding. Hello. Hi.
Dit is de liefste koe van stal.
Is that so?
Ja.
Tell me about it. It's the sweetest cow.
Ja.
Why is that so?
Is nice.
Oh.
Ja, when I'm, als ik naar de ezels ga, die zijn van mij die daar staan, staat ze altijd te wachten. En als ze in de kudde staan en roept, dan komt ze altijd. Dus zo. Ja?
So guys, basically the cows are feeding right now on hay, very nutritious hay, mixed with so much nutrients, you know. Amazing. I love this. So this hay is brown, this one is green, you know. Wow. Say hello. Wow. So there are so many actually. So many cows, I don't know how many in number, but this is interesting. Wow. So the farm is huge, guys, and here they do basically cattle farming. So right there we have the hay stored for winter. When I get them, I'll take you closer. Wow. So they have the nose ring to make them not be so aggressive. This is the nose ring. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Can I maybe help push the grass next to the cows?
You can?
Yeah, where's the...
I don't know where the...
Yeah.
Stay in the front like that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
You like cows?
So much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much.
They're
I'm
so
like,
sweet.
yeah, they're so sweet for sure. I'm like, they're struggling to get there.
Yeah.
You know, you just push it next to them. Yes. Could I just, yeah, maybe you can just hold this for me.
Nice.
Zie je het? Ja, zij komt van... Nou, je
So guys, I'm just pushing the hay closer to the cows so that they can feed properly.
They care not to hurt them, hè?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we did this in Kenya as well?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can
But
see.
we do it in small scale back at home.
I see.
So I love it when I see it in large scale like this, you know?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, the film is gone.
The what?
The film is over.
No, no, you just tap here and yeah. Enjoy.
That's okay, they'll find it. They've got all day for eating.
Sorry?
They've got all day to eat.
Yeah, they can all eat it. Sure.
Oh. Now they're happy with you.
Yeah. So that they don't struggle stretching the neck.
Oh, okay, take care, take care.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay. Yes, that's right. A bit over there. Maybe.
Yeah,
Should I take over?
Sorry?
Should I take over?
No, let me just keep doing this.
Okay. Oh, just plastic stuff. Wait.
Oh, there's something inside.
Yeah, that is horrible, but you cannot do
Yeah,
it.
this is horrible for the cows.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
not healthy at all. Maybe if you stand here, it will be more nice because of the light.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh yes. I'm coming. Oh yes.
We take it from there, right?
Yeah, we take
because
it
there's
from
the
there.
lock.
Let me give them this
Yeah.
instead of just leaving it. Hey,
No, they're hungry.
yeah, they're hungry. Wow. Okay, I take it from the other side.
Yeah.
Okay,
They're-
they're
they're-
really, really hungry.
They're fond of the green. Yeah, they want the green.
Yeah,
Come on. Yes, over there.
They're really, really, really hungry.
So I take over for a while. Just
Okay. Okay, thank you.
keep this.
Alright guys, I'm here with Mr. Johan. He's helping me out feed the cows. They are extremely hungry, but the good thing we are here for them. I love this. Love for the animals.
Hey. Maybe tell there is a bull.
Oh, the bull.
Couple here.
Oh,
When they're young, I don't know if you're familiar with that. They have to have calves in order to give milk.
yes.
That sort of thing. I'm not too familiar with it. But without having a calf or a first calf, they will not produce the milk they do.
Yes.
When
So
they-
that's the bull. Huh? It's right there.
There's the bull, yeah.
Resting. Huh? After hard work. Yeah, really. You know? So we have different types of hay. This is the green one, very fresh, and we have the brown one, but this is mixed with other ingredients, you know, and it's really good for milk production. Wow. So guys, this. Yeah. Can we get in from here?
Maybe around here.
Oh, around here. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So guys, here there's milking that is taking place. It's automatic. The machine recognizes the cows that are supposed to be milked, and they come in here and the milking is taking place. Hope you can see that. Wow, interesting. And here is the milk going to the storage area right here. Wow, interesting. You can see the milking is taking place. Milking, okay, but it's written in Dutch. Wow, interesting. Wow, this is amazing. Another level of farming which I would like to really implement back home. Wow, this is interesting, guys. Look at that. Wow. So when the time is right for milking, they just go in there and the machine automatically senses the cows that they're in for milking, and milking takes place just like that, you know. Modern farming in the Netherlands. This is interesting. Then the milk is collected and stored on this other side. Wow. So she's next, patiently waiting. Huh? So we have the farm tools here, because you cannot have a farm without tools, and this is where they are stored and part of the food. So the other one is done, I guess. So this one is now going in next. They're all now coming to line up because it's time for milking. You see? They're coming towards this side. This is interesting. Wow. So it's getting out through that side. Right there. It's out. And it gets in automatically. Wow. This is interesting, guys. See? Next. Wow. So the machine is trying to fit in the mammary glands first. It cleans them. I don't know if you guys can see. The cleaning is taking place automatically by the machine. Can you see the brush? It's for cleaning. Wow, wow. Look at that. That is cleaning taking place. Wow, interesting. Because the milk has to be clean, so the machine does everything. Okay, the cleaning is done. Wow. Now it's time for milking. Wow, you guys. You see? It opens up, fitting the mammary glands in place, and milking is taking place now. Wow. Amazing. Wow. It cleans the brush for the next cow. Wow. Interesting. Everything is done by the machines. Wow. Amazing. So now the milk is being collected to this other side, very clean. I hope you guys are learning as well as I am. Oh my gosh, I'm so blessed to see this practically and learning. Wow. So now the milking is taking place. Wow. Wow. Interesting. So when it's done, the next cow will come in automatically, and that's how it's done. Repeat. You know, so they're being milked 3 times a day. Milking takes place 3 times a day, in the morning, lunchtime like right now, and later in the evening. So 3 times a day. Wow, I'm really inspired, and I'm happy I'm taking you along, guys, because I love farming. Let me know, all the farmers. Team D, if you're a farmer, let me know. And do you do animal keeping? And if you're within Europe and you do farming, please write me on my Instagram, Mwango Official. It's in the description. or write me an email. I can visit your farm and you can take me along as well. It doesn't have to be necessarily cattle keeping, maybe crops farming or horses, anything. Just write me. Sheep, just name them, any category of farming, write me, and I'll be glad to visit you in your farm, as I'm doing right now here in the Netherlands. Okay guys, the milking is taking place, so meanwhile let's keep feeding the cows. So when it's done, another one will also get in, like that, you know. Wow. So after getting milked, they also go and rest. I hope you can see that. So each cow gets in one box and they rest, you know. Wow. So I still need to keep pushing the grass closer because they need to feed enough for milk production, so they have to really feed well. Wow, this is really interesting. Yeah. So guys, I don't know if you are keen to see, we have the brush here and the cows go there to get brushed, you know. Wow, interesting. So the brush helps the cow feel better from the bites from the flies, as you all see. So whenever they feel itchy or uncomfortable, they go get the brush, and it's automatic. Once they stand there, the brush just brushes them off. Wow, interesting. Soft life. So guys,
They do mix this with the hay.
oh, they do mix this with the hay. It's part of the nutrients of the
It's not just hay.
Yeah.
This is, I don't know what it is.
Wheat, maize, all mixed together.
Yeah, but maybe mixed maize.
Yeah,
The maize crop.
yeah. So we have the store, and all that is hay stored in there. Wow. Okay guys, so right now we headed to the farm where they grow flowers. So come along with me, let's go and check it out. I love flowers as well, so it will be really interesting as well. I hope for you too. So come along with me and let's do this. Wow, the neighborhood is beautiful. I appreciate it.
Many flowers right now, but never mind.
Let's see what will happen. Hello. Say hello. Say hi. Bossy Amboka, upgraded breed. Okay guys, here we are at the farm. Hey.
Niet helemaal, maar
ja, je moet gewoon hier naar links en dan kun je zo lopen over de info. En dan
Let's
kun je
go.
over die stapelplaat en dan ga je zo achter. Dan loop je om Tom van der Rauwe zijn tuin heen, zeg maar. En dan kun je zo daar weer naar binnen het touw trekken en dan kun je daar naar binnen. Ik moet er nu heen, want ik moet gewoon staan.
Yo. Wow.
Koud blijven.
So it's reflecting because the trees just need a sort of cold feed.
Yes.
Cooling in the ground.
It's cooling in the ground.
Cooling in the ground.
Ja, here is here, you see?
Yes.
Here. It's cooling.
It's cool.
Cooling the flowers.
Yeah, the ground, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You hear the machine there?
Yeah.
That's cooling.
Uh-huh.
Cooling for the ground.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the last one.
Uh-huh.
The last one. And now we start it here and then we go around with
Okay.
Frasia. This is for here. Look, the chicken.
Yes. Yeah. So these are the last flowers now.
Yeah, the last, yeah.
Wow.
Goed? Jij loopt maar een rondje zo?
Ja, oké, en dan komen we wel even daar ook kijken.
Ja.
Hey, hartstikke bedankt.
Goed.
Okay.
Ik doe de overheaddeur even dicht.
Ja, komt er wel.
Okay. Wow, the dogs look so huge. They look like lions.
Ja, het is best een breed.
Wow, I've never seen such huge dogs like that. Oh my goodness, but they're so cute. Wow. So guys, welcome to the flowers farm. And it's a beautiful farm, and he told me right now the cooling of the ground is taking place because sometimes it gets really hot. So that's what is taking place right now, you know, because the flowers need that cold environment. They don't need hot environment. Wow, so this is how flowers are grown here. This is interesting. Actually, it's my first time to see how flowers are grown. Wow. So it's a huge farm.
Yeah, notice the height of the glasshouse.
Uh-huh.
You see, when I was younger, they were like this.
Uh-huh.
But by modern times, they've grown over the height has grown.
Mm-hmm.
You see, and for isolation purpose, this can all be drawn close,
Yes.
like a tent.
Uh-huh.
And then it's all closed, and that is for keeping the heat in. On the other hand, you see, they are a bit what am I saying? They don't want to spend too much money on energy, so when they can shut it off at night, it's for isolation.
Oh, nice. So they're getting the fields ready again for another season right now.
This is also very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
This is connected to the kettle somewhere in the front.
Uh-huh.
And they make steam by it, you see, and the steam goes underneath the seal. The seal is blown up like this,
Yes.
at this height.
Uh-huh.
The point is they want to get the steam into the soil to
Yes.
get rid of diseases and fungus and things they don't want.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is mono agriculturing, you have a lot of trouble with diseases.
Yes. Wow.
Because it just, you see, the one variety thing is inviting diseases to spread
and
really
pests.
quickly.
Yeah. Wow. So they're getting the fields ready to plant again. Some of the machines that they used for farming, harrowing of the ground. This is sawdust. Oh, nice.
Wood stuff, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like from the sawing
Timber.
mill. Timber, it's timber.
Yeah, it's sawdust. It's, you know, nice.
It's again to keep the earth a bit cool, because believe me, when on a sunny day it gets hot here.
Yeah. Wow. So the purpose is to keep the ground cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see, there's even white stuff on the glass
Mm-hmm.
to keep the sun out a bit.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we're going to check out other farms on the other side, and I can't wait to share with you, you know. So all this that you see here, these are greenhouses, and they grow different types of crops, tomatoes, vegetables, flowers, just name them.
Is there is like paprika.
Paprika, okay. Oh, nice.
You see, they're not grown on the ground, they're off the floor.
Yeah, they're off the flow. I can see that from a distance. So let's keep going. Let's see what is happening here. But basically right now we're checking out
Flower garden.
yeah, flower gardens. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're going to check out other farms on the other side, and I can't wait to share with you, you know. So all this that you see here, these are greenhouses, and they grow different types of crops, tomatoes, vegetables, flowers, just name them.
What is there is like paprika.
Paprika, okay. Oh nice.
You see, they're not grown on the ground, they're off the floor.
Yeah, they're off the flow. I can see that from a distance. So let's keep going. Let's see what is happening here. But basically right now we're checking out
Flower garden.
yeah, flower gardens. Yeah. Thank you.
It's automatic as well.
Yeah, it's automatic as well. So guys, here we are at the flowers garden, and wow, looks beautiful. So I hope you're really enjoying these videos on farming, but really this is my first time to check out a flower garden and how it's done. I hope you're enjoying as well. There's some music, I have to run away from it, I'll get a copyright. Wow. So let's see what is happening here.
Let's walk to the machine.
Yeah, let's walk to the machine. And actually Mr. Johan works in flower gardens, so he has so much knowledge to do with flowers.
Yes,
Thank you.
so nice.
Yeah, thank you so much for the information and for bringing me around as well. I really appreciate. Okay guys, here we are. There's packing of flowers and picking of flowers at the same time. So let's see what is happening. Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Get in the way.
Okay.
Nee. Zo, goedemorgen. Well, yeah, allow me to introduce myself. Om met het liedje te beginnen. Nee, hoor. Nee, maar dit is een meisje, een YouTuber. En die is heel nieuwsgierig naar wat er in Nederland allemaal gebeurt. Dus ze was bij een kennis op bezoek die ook weer een kennis van mij is.
Ja.
Dus ik denk, ik neem de gelegenheid maar op de baat om eens hier en daar wat bedrijven te bezoeken.
Nou ja.
En dan leert zij ook wat er hier aan de hand is in Nederland. hè.
Ja.
Komt ze voor de bloemen of voor alles?
Voor alles, vanochtend al op een boerderij geweest bij Maasland. En dat is ze van thuis gewend, gelijk de koeien voeren en alles, joh.
Ja.
Dat is heel, super enthousiast voor de wereld, zeg maar. Het is al echt in, you've been in the Philippines, you've been in Germany.
Yeah, in Luxembourg, Switzerland, Italy.
Heel Europa.
Oh, this is interesting. Wow.
This is the yellow color, hè?
Yeah.
The yellow, the white.
White.
The white, same color as your hair.
Yeah. Yeah. So you use the scissors to pick the flowers.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
The good one.
The good
Yeah.
ones.
This too green. This is for Monday. This is today. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Diana.
Diana.
Yes.
You on YouTube or Instagram?
Both.
Allebei.
Yeah. Yeah, but I do YouTube a lot. I travel and create travel videos.
Ah, ja.
Yeah, so I'm humbled to check out your farm to see how you pick flowers, what you do, how you package.
Ah, ja.
It's interesting.
Ja.
Yeah.
Oké.
Thank you for allowing me. I appreciate it.
Ja.
You also a YouTuber?
No, only Instagram.
Only Instagram.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll check your page
Yeah,
as well.
only for the flowers.
Oh, nice.
You see Aap. You see Aap on Instagram.
Uh-huh.
The dog.
Nice.
Oh, we zijn klaar zeker.
So you pick them, then you package for sale.
Ja. Ja.
Okay. There's no treatment that you do?
Straks even YouTube open.
Wow. So how long do the flowers take to get ready to be harvested?
5 months.
5 months.
5 months, yeah.
Oh, 5 months. They take 5 months to get ready.
Yeah.
Wow. So after you cut the flowers, you leave them again to grow?
Ja, ja, hoe heet dat? In the ground.
Yes. Oh.
This,
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
you see?
Yes.
This one. We in 3 months, 30 degrees, then we do it again.
Yes.
Yeah, this is another color.
Okay. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
How is it like working here? Are there challenges maybe?
What?
What are the challenges you experience maybe growing flowers?
Wat zijn jouw challenges?
Wat zijn dat, challenges?
Ja,
Uh-huh.
hoe zeg je dat? Waar
Uitdagingen.
loop je tegenaan? Uitdagingen?
Oh, insect.
Oh, insects.
Insect, yeah. Insect,
Yeah.
they pick there and then,
Spoil the flowers.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice.
This is difficult, yeah.
This is difficult.
Yeah,
Yeah.
insects are difficult.
But you have pesticides and insecticides that you spray.
Ja, voor biologie. Ja.
Wow. Nice.
Ja.
These are Turkish people working here in the weekend.
Oh, working in the weekend.
During parts of the week there's Polish people as well.
Polish people vrij.
Wat? Neem die foto maken. Foto niet. Jij knapste. Wat een knapste hier.
Moustache. Take the man with the moustache. He loves it.
Oh, he loves it. Okay. Let me get closer on the other side. Interesting. So guys, basically today what is happening is picking of the flowers, which is interesting. I'm so humbled to see this and how it takes place. So they put them here and collect, then they package them. Wow.
Wat?
Misschien brengt het bij de vrieskussen kunnen. Ja, voor eigen land.
Ja, misschien wel, ja.
Ja, maar dat allemaal, ja, vervelend, hè?
So you're picking the red flowers.
Ja.
Nice.
You are peoples?
Sorry?
Peoples.
Peoples.
You are
Me? I'm
Yeah.
from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah, Africa.
Oh, Kenya, Africa, yeah.
Yeah.
Turkish, Egypt.
Oh, you're from Egypt. Oh, wow. Nice. And they're from Turkey. Turkey. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. When did you leave Egypt? Long time ago? How many years now?
Ik weet het English.
Oh, you don't speak English?
Nee,
Okay. You speak Arabic.
ja, alleen Arabisch land.
Okay, so guys, he's from Egypt and he works here.
Ja.
You work here every day or only weekends?
Niet altijd hier.
Every day.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Iedere dag, zeg ik.
Amazing. Yes. Packaging of the flowers now, ready to go to the market. They look so beautiful. Wow.
Okay, dames.
Yeah. So after harvesting, it's packaging and just
Of dat je komt binnen met de camera al aan, dan denk ik,
Ja.
ik weet helemaal niet wie jullie zijn of
Ja,
hoe of wat. Dus,
Maar het is echt
Oh,
onschuldig, maar zij is een beetje van... Ze praten gelijk bijvoorbeeld de video in. Dat is voor haar geen...
ja, want nou hoor je mij ook praten.
Nou, wat geeft dat?
Ik vind dat
Je
best
wordt
wel
wereld...
apart.
Ik vind het niet leuk om wereldberoemd te worden.
Ja,
Nee?
wel als ik het zelf...
Het is allemaal gek uit. Er zijn genoeg veel van die filmpjes op
oh nice.
internet. Dat is echt niet te tussen.
Ja, ik vind het wel normaal om dat eerst eens te vragen.
Ik heb het gevraagd aan Dennis. Hij zegt kom maar hierheen. Dus, maar ja, dan zie je natuurlijk jullie ineens allemaal. En zij filmt inderdaad direct. Dat is waar. Maar in ieder geval. Mag het erop blijven of moet ze jou eruit?
Nou, haal er maar uit.
Oké.
Interesting.
Oké. Nou,
I'm really enjoying doing this. So this is basically how cattle farming is done here in the Netherlands. I can say I'm so much inspired, and I can't wait to implement this back in my village. I love animals, and I love the fact that they have enough grass, everything is just in order, and the milking takes place like really in a unique way that I have not seen before. That's interesting. So let me know what you love more about farming as well, but I'm so blessed and privileged to learn this here in the Netherlands. So please subscribe. If you haven't already, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video, and if you'd love to see more of this as well, let me know. And if you're a farmer, reach me out. I can come do this as well in your farm as I take you along, guys. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. In case you're new here, my name is Mwango, a solo female traveler from Kenya in Africa, traveling the world and taking you along different series along my travels, farming, checking out the streets, the way of life, the culture. So please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video, and I want to see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye. Greetings from Netherlands.
Very well done.
Yeah. That's really interesting. That's nice. Thank you,
I hope I've
Johan.
recorded it. Yes, I